It's time to upgrade from the old halogen headlight bulbs to the Bevinsee LED. Packed with a 6000 Kelvin daylight colour, VC cooling system that keeps your lights cool from overheating, a small light body compared to the old standard halogen bulbs, carries a long lifespan, precise brightness to make you aware what's ahead, IP68 waterproof rating, and anti-noise so you don't hear that flickering sound like other LED bulbs tend to do. I've got the H4 version B45 series, which is suitable for my Honda FRV. Right inside the box you will get a simple instruction manual explaining how to install. 2 LED bulbs which are robust built. Loving that sleek design, guys. At the back there's a powerful fan that keeps the system cool. Simple plug and play. Out with the old and in with the new. Now this rubber housing cap where the light fits in, I had to cut it open slightly a bit more for the new light to fit in.
So the rubber is in there, isn't it? Yeah.
Connections are all in, electric plug is installed in the socket, perfectly installed and you ain't going nowhere. Works well and looking good. Let's test this out. Now I'm about 20 meters away from that wall ahead of me. Let's put the headlights on. And now the floodlights. Guys, I'm super impressed by the coverage of light. With the Bevinsee LED lights, I can clearly see the road signs and the road ahead, much better than the old halogen bulbs. It will definitely give confidence for those who are hesitant driving at night. I will leave a discount code below. Drive safe, peace.